Hello everyone and welcome back to our Power BI tutorial series. So in this video, I am going to explain how we can connect or develop our live streaming dashboard in Power BI. So for the sake of example, I am going to create a fresh workspace which name is streaming. So under the streaming, we have a two type of data flows, streaming data flow and streaming data set. So streaming data flow is actually obsolete. So here you go, you can see the option is no longer available. So I am going to use streaming data set. So we have an API as your PubNub. So PubNub I am going to use because PubNub is actually supported and it's a very fun method to learn and demonstrate the streaming data. So I am going to create a data set. Its name is PubNub dataset. Now I'm going to define a subnet and channel name. So for that, we have a website for PubNub, and here you can see real-time data streaming demo. So we are going to use this demonstration site, which is free of cost, no charges. So we have different type of streaming here. For the sake of example, we are going to take sensor network, and here we have subscribe key. Let me paste here. Then I need a channel name, so let me go back and copy the channel name as well. PubNub sensor, yeah. For this demonstration, I'm not going to use PAM authentication key. Let's ignore and click next. So we have a field here under this data set, as we can see in our PubNub site as well. Let me get back to your PubNub site. So here you can see source, humidity, photo sensor, radiation label, sensor ID. So all the columns which are available is also now available in our Power BI, like humidity, photo sensor, like that. Let's create it. Once we create it, then our dataset is created in streaming workspace. Now we need to click on our dashboard to get live data using PubNub dataset. Let me give it up any name like live data set, live data, live dashboard using for weather. Okay, let me create this name. Okay, so our dashboard is created, but nothing is showing. So we need to go in edit and add a title here. Yeah, you can see add a title here. So add a title we have in below real-time data. Let me click on real-time, custom real-time data. So we can actually have two options. Either we can define our data set here, which we already defined, so we don't need to define again, or we can select our already defined data set, PubNub data set. So I'm going to use this. So in visualization type, we have different type of cars, line chart, cluster bar, cluster column, cluster gauge, etc., etc. So let me click on card. It will show one value on real-time basis. Let me take humidity because all the numeric values color show here. So you can see 80, 79 is going to heartbeating on a real-time data. We can also change title, subtitle, but let me add one more data card here. Let me show, at this time I'm going to let us show photo sensor. Okay, another. Now, if I want to change a current card with the line chart, so how we can do this? So in this demo, I am going to actually do this. Let me show Okay, let me convert it to line chart. Yes, I did. And we are going to select x-axis. We need to provide legend. It could be string or it could be numbers, but value should be numeric value. So photo sensor, let me apply it and let me pick the chart. So here you can see that on the top you can see sensor ID and on the bottom you can see timestamp. So we can edit as well different types. So this is a way where you can create different type of uh, you know uh, visualization on a real-time basis. That's cool feature. So one more, I'm going to add one more card for you. This time I am going to take cards, add numeric value and delay radiation level, and let's see. So, so that code is updating on real-time basis. You can change the real-time into 1 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, whatever you want by click edit, and you can go down and check yourself. There are a lot of features. I hope you like this video and do comments if you need any further details. Thank you very much for watching this video.